My name is Dr. Heepeel Chang, and I'm an attending vascular surgeon at the Hackensack University Medical Center. I frequently treat patients with venous disease, carotid artery disease, abdominal aortic aneurysm, and peripheral arterial disease. I want my patients and their families to feel reassured and supported from the moment that they meet me. It is important to me that they trust they are in skilled hands and understand that I'm fully committed to their well-being and their care. My approach is deeply rooted in understanding and listening to the patient's concerns and tailoring personalized treatment plans that not only addresses their medical needs, but also their personal needs and preferences. My patients often tell me that they appreciate my calm and thoughtful demeanors, my willingness to explain things clearly, and the time I take to address their concerns and answer their questions. I do what I do because I'm passionate about improving and helping patients' lives, whether it's helping someone to walk pain-free again, preventing life or limb-threatening complications, or even providing a peace of mind to a concerned family. Every day brings an opportunity to make a difference.